Bookkeeping began long before spreadsheets or calculators. In the first markets of growing civilizations, people needed a way to remember who owed grain, how many animals were traded, and what was stored for winter. So they counted with beads, knots, and marks pressed into clay. It seems simple now, but this was revolutionary. For the first time, memory was no longer the only vault. As trade expanded across seas and cities, records had to become clearer and more reliable. Then came one of history's biggest leaps: double-entry bookkeeping. Every transaction had two sides, a give and a take. Suddenly, books could check themselves. Errors became easier to spot. Merchants could see profit, debt, and risk with new precision. This quiet system helped power empires, voyages, and banks. The industrial age multiplied everything: factories, payrolls, shipments, taxes. Bookkeeping had to keep up. Paper systems grew thicker, and machines began to help. Adding machines, standardized forms, and organized filing turned bookkeeping into the nervous system of modern business. It was no longer just about recording the past. It was about managing growth. Today, bookkeeping lives on computer screens, in cloud systems, and in real-time dashboards. What once took days can happen in seconds. But the mission is still the same: track the truth of money. From abacus beads to digital records, each leap made accounting more accurate, more scalable, and more essential. Behind every thriving civilization and every growing business is the same quiet hero: a trustworthy set of books.